Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Genesis G70. Impressive engine performance and exquisite handling push the Genesis G70 to the front of the pack. Fully integrated technology, off-the-chart safety features, and the luxurious interior and exterior styling of this vehicle all distinguish this vehicle from the rest, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, navigation system, rear view camera, keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Genesis certified pre-owned vehicles are meticulously inspected by qualified Genesis technicians and come with a comprehensive Genesis CPO limited warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a vehicle history report. Talk to your local Genesis dealer today to find out more.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.